right, our DMR number 1, we're going to plot the coordinates using these letters. Then we're going to find the ordered pair of the point D so that it will complete the shape. First of all, we have letter A, which is at -2, -2. So we're going to go backwards 2, then we're going to go down 2. So A is going to be down here. Oop, wrong thing. All right, so that's A. Let's take a look at B. B is going to be down the hall 3, down the elevator 2. 1, 2, 3. Down the elevator 1, 2. Here's where B is going to go. Perfect. All right, C is going to be at -2, 4. We go backwards 2, 1, 2, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, +4 there. Now, where do we think D is going to go? I can give you a hint. Let's figure out how far away A to C is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that's 6 units, then it'll be 6 units away from B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So letter D is going to go up here. And let's see what that ordered pair is going to be. All right, so D is at +1, 2, 3. So +3, then +1, 2, 3, 4, then +4. All right, awesome, awesome. Now that we have that, what shape do we make? So what quadrilateral do we make? Well, we make a rectangle. So you're going to put rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. All right, now the perimeter. So the perimeter is outside. Add all the sides. Add all sides. Well, we know that this side was 6. So this side is also 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top is 5. So this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. Then you'll get 5 and 10, and then 15, 20, 21, 22. So you should get 22 units. 22 units there. All right, now the area is going to be all the squares on the inside. More commonly or more easily, you're going to do length times width. So 5 times 6 is going to give us 30. And this is going to be units squared. Because that's how many squares are on the inside. That's how many square units. 1 square, 2 square, 3, 4, 5. You'll have 30 in here. So that's why it's 30 units squared, or 30 square units. So that's going to be it for our DMR number 1. Great job.